Here is a detailed step-by-step guide on how to make a YouTube thumbnail using AI Thumbnail Maker. Go to the AI Thumbnail Maker website. Enter the keyword or topic that you want to use as the basis for your thumbnail. This could be the title of your video, a key theme or concept, or a relevant image or phrase. Select any additional options or preferences that you would like to use to refine the thumbnail ideas generated by the AI tool. These might include the style or tone of the thumbnail, the type of image or text to include, or the overall aesthetic of the thumbnail. Click the Generate Thumbnails or the plus New Thumbnail button, if you previously created a thumbnail, to generate a selection of thumbnail ideas based on your input. Review the thumbnail ideas generated by the AI tool. You can type a couple of words to generate the background you want and find one that you like. Pay attention to the overall design of the thumbnail, as well as any text or images that are included. When you find a thumbnail that you like, click on it to preview it in more detail. This will allow you to see the thumbnail at a larger size and get a better sense of its overall appearance and impact. If you are satisfied with the thumbnail, save your thumbnail by clicking the Save Changes button, and you can download it to your computer by clicking the Download button. The thumbnail will be saved in a format that is suitable for use as a YouTube cover image. You can then use the downloaded thumbnail as the cover image for your YouTube video. To do this, go to the YouTube Studio dashboard and select the video that you want to add the thumbnail. Then, click the Edit button and choose the Custom Thumbnail option. You can then upload the thumbnail that you created using AI Thumbnail Maker. It's important to note that while AI Thumbnail Maker can generate ideas and inspiration for your thumbnail and do this for free, the final design and appearance of the thumbnail should be carefully considered and edited by a human. A well-designed thumbnail can help attract attention and increase the visibility of your videos on YouTube, so it's worth taking the time to create a visually appealing and effective thumbnail. Check out the description below for more details. Thanks for watching.